that bird?
It's a little woodpecker.
Ah, woodpecker.
Look at him go. Peck that wood, you crazy little thing. Hey!
Don't hide.
No, peck that wood. Where you going? Oh, oh, he's going up. He's going. Hey! There he goes.
Can I borrow your socks and put it on my hands?
Socks?
I don't have any socks on.
Wash your hands like this.
There he goes. He's scurrying up the tree. Wait, woodpecker, wait. All right, he's gone. What a shame.
Look at that view.
Yeah, that
architecture is amazing.
yeah.
That is better than New York. Like
As far as skyline,
architecture-wise,
yeah. It's because
Skyline's prettier.
probably because New York's so much older. Well, I think. I don't know. Fall to my knees, thank the Lord for the new shalom.
Yeah, it's definitely older brick.
Yeah, he's our shine.
Boston.
Yeah, even the roads. Which makes them terrible to drive on. Even the people, they're just walking around. Big brick people. They're birds and everything. It's the only place birds have to live, so they all have to just flock here. That's a cool building. That is a cool looking building. All right, anyway.